The INEO, both electric oven and the gas oven, use intelligent control system to guide the user to operate the oven quickly and skillfully. Electric ovens use American heating tubes with good heat transfer stability. The combustion system with stable pressure and balanced flame provides users with a baking atmosphere with excellent stability and ornamental effect. It has a built-in or outboard steam system, which can quickly produce saturated steam with a qualitative pressure, and let the baking products get uniform steam to make the same quality.